Welcome back, friends. And in your MI mobile, if you are not able to see step trackers on the home screen or many other app features you can add on home screen or in app wallet, if you are not seeing this, if you are not knowing this, then this is a must watch video for you. I will not take much of your time, only in a very short way. I will explain all the things about this. So, not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel and if you are liking this video after watching it completely, please do subscribe the channel. Okay, please watch this video till the end because some of important informations are in the end. So what you need to do, suppose you are just this is the home screen, you are just swiping it here, and then we will see this screen Google. You will not see app wallet. Then if you want to see that, just swipe it down, go to the setting, swipe down, go to the home screen. Here -1 screen is there, tap it here. Here app vault and this Google Discover is there. Select the app vault. Okay, then go back, go to the home screen. Now just swipe right, and this app vault has come. See here, many things are there. You can see this step counter like this, or you can see step counter like this. You can add this. You can see step counter like this. You can find many important things in this app vault. Clock like this, trash files. If you have interest in the cricket, you can show the cricket from here. And some of applications are still not here. You can directly go to the setting WhatsApp from this vault. Just tap on the plus, and from here you can select all the thing. See, if you want to see this step counter on your home screen, what you need to do, just add it. Okay, or not add it here. From here, now it will show here. It is coming. It will take some time, and after that, please wait. It has come now. You can also remove it from here. But if you want to see it on home screen, what you need to do, go to the add button. Okay, then go to there, just tap it here, and here add to home screen. See, now it has come here. Now you can see your steps here. Okay, swipe right, go to here, add with, add it here. You can add this also on the home screen. So this is what I wanted to tell you, the importance of this. If you are not see, if you want to remove it from here, just long press it, remove it. So this is what I wanted to tell. If you want do not want to see it, remove it. So quickly I will cover it from where it has come. Go to the setting, then go to the home screen. Here -1 screen. If none is selected, nothing will come. So nothing will come. But if app vault, select app vault, go back. Now see here, everything will come. So I think I have explained how. If you are not showing it here, just go and add this. So this is what I wanted to tell in this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.